Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make dry shampoo. The recipe is simple and you only need a few ingredients. The cosmetic contains only natural ingredients that are safe for the skin health and is cheap to make. For my recipe I use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot powder, 1 tablespoon of kaolin clay and 6 drops of essential oil. I use 3 drops of rosemary oil and 3 drops of lavender oil. The oils have an intense scent, which makes the hair smell nice, but also stimulates hair growth and prevents hair loss. However, if you have sensitive skin, skip adding essential oils. Flowers and clay absorb sebum, which helps extend the time between hair washes. I mix everything well. If you have brown or red hair, you can add cocoa powder to the mixture and use red clay instead of white clay. For gray hair, a mixture with cocoa powder and 1 to 2 capsules of activated charcoal will work perfectly. For black hair, add 4 to 6 capsules of activated charcoal to your mixture. You can store the dry shampoo in a face cream jar and apply the powder with a brush. You can also keep in a loose powder container. Such packaging will also be useful when traveling. You can apply the product onto your hair directly from the packaging or using a brush. You can also recycle spice packaging. In most cases, stickers come off very easily, and packaging with additional holes in the lid makes application easier. I apply dry shampoo using a makeup brush. Then I spread the product using my fingertips or a hairbrush. Let me know if you use dry shampoos and if you make them yourself or buy the ready-made ones from the store. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!